So I decided to make some hair tea since my last setback to help hydrate, strengthen and nourish my hair strands. This tea will also help to keep my hair hydrated throughout my challenge. As you all know, I try to carry a protective hairstyle for a whole month. So first you're going to need some fresh aloe vera. You can extract the aloe vera gel however you like. This is how I like to extract mine. Aloe vera helps to treat dandruff, itchy scalp. It also helps to hydrate and moisturize your hair. It also helps to promote hair growth. Aloe vera also helps to repair dead skin cells on your scalp, which prevents your hair from growing healthily. Like I said, extract the gel however you like, just do you. So once I was done bringing out all the gel, I decided to use my fingers to break the gel. Next, you're going to need some rice. You actually do not need to use black rice. You can use white rice or red rice. Just use any type of rice you have. But I decided to use black rice because it is more superior than the white and red rice. Rice in general helps to strengthen your hair strands. It also helps to promote hair growth. So you're also going to need some neem leaf, which helps to condition your scalp. It helps to treat dandruff and itchy scalp. It also helps to promote hair growth. So now that I've transferred my neem into my jar, I'm going to be adding my aloe vera gel into it. Like I said, you actually do not need to blend it because aloe vera tends to water down with time. So I added more water to increase the water level of the tea because I'm going to be using just the juice for this tea. So yeah, once I was done, I decided to mix it properly to ensure that everything is saturated. Then I covered it. So I'm going to be placing it in my hot water. I'm going to allow this water come to a boil, then turn it off. I'm not going to allow it boil for long. I just wanted to heat up the water, then allow it sit until it cools down. As you guys can see, even the rice is looking all open. That's because of the heat from the water. So now I'm going to be sieving everything because we only need the tea for this. So once you're done sieving the tea out, you can choose to use it just the way it is, or you can add other products like your essential oils, but this is how I decided to use mine without any other product. So I'm going to be showing you guys how I apply this to my hair. So like I said in my previous videos, I did hit a huge setback which caused my hair to break a lot, even my edges and all of that. So I decided to go back on some of my older recipes. So this is me applying it generously to my hair. Then I'll be going in with my oil. So I try to apply this every other day, or should I just say at least 3 times a week. That is how frequent I try to use this product on my hair, then follow it up with my growth oil and my hair butter. I try to switch it up from time to time. And yeah, that's about it on this video. I hope you guys enjoyed it. Until next time guys, see you in my next video. Bye.